Hey man, what's good with y'all? Young entrepreneurs. It's Drell here coming at you with another video today. Hey, my intro is fire. I don't care what nobody say. But today I got a very special treat for you. I'm gonna be bringing you an update on my Clickbank journey. Now I know I didn't bring you this update in a minute, but I felt like it's only right that I bring you guys an update and show you guys how I've been doing with Clickbank. But if you're new to this channel, man, if that button is red down below, subscribe and join the gang of entrepreneurs. This channel is all about making money online, help you make money with Clickbank, affiliate marketing, all of that. So subscribe and join the gang, man. But we're gonna get right into it. So I'm about to hop over to my Clickbank account and show you guys the proof that I'm actually making money with Clickbank. So let me refresh the page real quick so you know everything's legit. But if you're an OG, you already know everything is legit. I do this every single time so you guys can see that it's nothing to hide, man. But because I know a lot of YouTubers, they show you how to make money with Clickbank, but they never show you the proof, and I hate that. So I always want to be the one to show you guys the proof that I'm actually making money from what I'm teaching you guys. So let's wait till this load up, and we're gonna see that everything is still the exact same. Yeah, as you can see, everything is still the exact same. So I'm not sure where I left off in my previous journey, but we're just gonna start at the 14th because that's right here. So the 14th I made 84. The 15th I made 53. No, 63. The next 2 days I didn't make any money, but that's just how it goes with like online marketing and stuff like that. So that's why it's important to have multiple streams of income as well. But build this up first, build this up, and then start getting the side hustle in so you can actually cover for the off days. And then the 18th I made 97. The 19th I made 145. The 20th I made 117. The 21st I made 70. The 22nd I made 195. The 23rd I made 434. And then today it's only 8 a.m. right now, so we're not even going to count today. I made 118 this morning. So I made that while I was asleep, man. I woke up to that. So that just shows you that it's passive income coming in as well. So I'm about to get into my strategy, things I'm about to test out, all of that stuff. So watch this whole video, man. And let's go over to my strategy so you guys can see how I do it and you can follow the same way. So my strategy is driving traffic to a landing page to capture emails and then sending them to the offer. So why does this work, right? Because when you offer something for free, people feel inclined to do something for you in return. So like for example, if you're offering like a free ebook, they're going to be inclined to do something for you because you're just giving them something for free. They're like, I should do something for him in return. So I'm gonna show you guys the landing page I use. I use ClickFunnels to build my landing pages. It's just the simplest landing page builder that I found, and it's a free trial down below, so you can check it out if you want. There's no excuses, man. You could try this out for free. If you don't like it, you can just cancel, right? So this is the landing page I use for the numerology readings. You could copy the same exact thing. Like this page converts very well. And here's where I capture the emails at. So this button right here captures the emails. Once they hit this once they hit this button right here, they submit the page and they get taken to the reading, right? So let me go back to my strategy. And then I send them follow-up emails to build a relationship with them. Don't forget, like when you're marketing online, they're real people too. So you have to build a relationship with them first. Like example, you wouldn't ask someone out on the first date, right? So you got to build a relationship with them. You got to build trust. You got to see if you like them and all of that before you actually ask somebody out. So treat it the same way with online marketing. Like they're real people. Don't just spam them with offers. Like they're not going to buy from you if you spam them with offers. Like you have to build a relationship with them. And I use GetResponse for my emails. Both are free to start. I'm gonna show you guys GetResponse real quick. This is free to start as well, so there's really no excuses, man. It's a free trial. You don't even have to enter your credit card information for GetResponse. You could just try it out for free, man. So it's a link down below for that as well if you want to try it out. But that's my strategy. Now I'm about to get into my traffic sources. So my top traffic source is Instagram right now. Instagram, like I basically mastered Instagram, and I was thinking about making an ebook or like a course with Clickbank and Instagram to teach you guys exactly how I do it, like in detail. Like it's gonna be like days put into this. So if you guys want to see that, let me know and I'll make it for you. But um next is Facebook and then YouTube. YouTube, I'm in the process of growing it right now. I'm getting a little bit of traffic from YouTube right now, but it's on the come up, man. I can see YouTube being like #1 one day once I start getting some real traffic from YouTube. But I made videos on all of these, how I did it. So I'll leave a link down below so you can check out my other videos on how I did it with Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So some things I want to test out is solo ads, Bing ads, and Pinterest. Solo ads, if you don't know what solo ads are, is like where you just buy an email, like you tell them what email you want them to send to their list. Usually they have a list of like 20,000 plus, and they send out the email to their list, and hopefully you can get some sales with it. So Bing ads, I'm pretty sure you guys know what Bing ads are, and Pinterest. So if you try any of these, let me know how they work. Let me know, man, because I want to try out all three of these and see how they work with Clickbank. I haven't tried them out yet, but we're going to see. And then you can do this too, man. I can't stress this enough. Like, I'm not anybody special. A year ago, I was in your shoes. I wasn't making any money with Clickbank, and I was trying. So I'm not anybody special, man. You can do this too. And I just stay consistent and put in the work. That's that's all I did. I stayed consistent and I put in the work. Check out my other videos for tutorials. Like I said, I made videos on basically everything, and it's a free training down below from someone that I learned from. So if you want to check that out, he taught me how to do affiliate marketing and all of that. So if you want to try it out, if you want to take that free training, it's down below. But believe in yourself when nobody else does. This is so important because, like, I know there's someone out there watching this video right now. They have no proof. They're trying to make money online and nobody believes in them. They're trying to convince their family and friends that they can make it as an entrepreneur, but nobody believes in them because they have no proof yet. Like, I was in your shoes as well, man. Last year I was in your shoes actually. So don't fold. Don't quit on yourself. You got to believe in yourself. And if you let the opinions of others stop your greatness, you better be willing to accept their average lifestyles too, man. You don't want to be average. I know you don't. If you're watching this video, you don't want to be average. So you can't let the opinions of average people stop your greatness, man. So just believe in yourself, man. Have a goal, have a vision, and keep pursuing it. Stop focusing on lack. Stop saying you can't make a sale. You can make a sale. If I'm able to make a sale, you can make a sale. There's no difference between me and you. It's too competitive. It's not too competitive. There is too much money out here for you to be saying it's too competitive. There's enough money to go around for all of us, man. We can all be successful. Man, that's basically all I have for today's video. If you found it useful, leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm out, bruh.